Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So after you press that subscribe button, just make sure that you hit the bell, and then you don't have to worry. Sit back, relax, and you'll receive those emails that will notify you. And if it's something you don't want to watch right away, it's something fun waiting for you in your inbox. If you're like me, we've been waiting patiently for some information about the box by Fashionsta. The last box that most of us received was in April. I'm pretty sure all of us was in April. In March, it was in the middle of March, and usually we receive our boxes from the box from Fashionsta closer to the end of the month. That's how their cycle works. Anyways, long story short, they're out of LA. LA was one of the first cities to really shut down in California, that everybody was stay at home. This month, in the month of May, they started to allow, I think in the second or third week in the month of May, they were allowing people that were not solely essential workers to go back to their offices and try to catch up and get things done. The box I saw on Instagram sent out a notification that the first top priority was to get out. They must have had a pop-up sale and some other pending orders. That's what they decided to ship out first. And then they were going to start shipping out the March boxes that we've all been waiting for. I wrote to them and asked them if there was more information that possibly they can share with us to know exactly what's happening. And I never heard back. And then today I received an email. So I don't know if everyone got this email, or maybe this is something you're interested in if you're not getting the box, but I thought it would be a good idea to just do a quick video to share with you guys the information that came down via email, and then a little bit about the box. So I'm going to just share quickly. The box is a $24.99 a month box. It's 5 to 7 full-size products. They're valued between $80 and $150, and it ships free in the USA. I'm talking about the box. They have another box that is their men's box. That's a $29.99 that has all the same values and all the same. On my channel, we only get the original, the box, which is the woman's box. So they also sent down this information. I'm going to try to put it as well as I can up here, and then I'm just going to read it to you guys and then try to move it so that you guys can see what I'm seeing. So it says, to our glam fam, that's what they call the people that are part of the Fashionsta, the box, that get it monthly. We hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. We endlessly express our gratitude for your patience and understanding during these times. Los Angeles has a curfew for the safety of its residents. We are abiding by for the safety of our employees. This may have a slight impact on our shipping and fulfillment schedule. Our March box, now technically they're calling their June box. Let's see if I can move this up so you guys can see what I'm reading. Or technically called their June boxes, are being shipped and processed in batches. We're deciding to pause our June box to be certain we can come back in July with the best and most amazing products and faster shipping and service. You will not be charged for your June, and all subscriptions will resume in July. If you have a prepaid month's subscription, we will extend the number of months you have prepaid. We appreciate our community and continue to lead with solidarity and taking a stand against racism and inequalities. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us a nice message to customer service@fashionsta.com. So that's the information that we received. So just to recap, and that was my main concern and my question was, most of us paid for our boxes at the beginning of the month. That's how their billing cycle works. And then we were receiving our boxes within the third or fourth week of the month. So I've obviously already paid for my March box, and then I didn't receive it. So what they're doing is the March box is going to be considered their June box. So you will not be billed in the month of June for June. Whatever you paid for it in March will be the June box. And then I guess anyone new that's going to be joining, their first box will be in the month of July, when the billing cycle for the rest of us will continue. If you're not familiar with the box, it really is a fantastic box. It is full-size items. They are more unique than any other box that I receive. They seem to get products that are not so much indie brand, but some of them are brand names. Like I did get some really expensive brand names from them, but I also got introduced to some really fantastic products that I got introduced to them that I've never seen in any other box. So it really is a unique box, and for $24.99, I think it is great. I paid $19.99 for my box, for full disclosure, because I started with getting that description from the box from the beginning. And what they did, which I thought was really generous, was they grandfathered you in. So anybody that stayed with them and continued their subscription, and I'm only on a month to month, they kept our price at $19.99. So if you stopped or you skipped or any of that, to come back on, your price will be $24.99. That's what the price is for everybody. The other thing that they do that's very unique than any other box that I'm familiar with right now, except for FabFitFun, usually always works in conjunction with some sort of a donation that they're working, this last month, the month of June, the summer box or FabFitFun, they're working with Special Olympics. What the box from Fashionsta does is they work with it's called 1736 Family Crisis Center. What it does, it assists people. I'm gonna see if I have something here that I can read it so I don't mess this up. It is a 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of makeup and beauty and self-care goods, with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. The 1736 Family Crisis Center is a non-profit organization in Los Angeles, and their mission is to help people through crisis, including domestic violence and human trafficking. So this is a little card that they put in every box. I know some of the girls, choose not to read it. I think this is important to know, that not only are you getting a fantastic deal on some fantastic brands and being introduced to some brands, but it is 5 to 7 full-size products for $24.99. And then in turn, they're doing this, it's like you're getting and you're giving at the same time. I think is pretty amazing. Anyways, I wanted to share that with everybody, but my main thing, and I for sure think it's what everyone was questioning, was when are we going to get our boxes? They are starting to ship them out now. I did receive a notification that I will have tracking soon. So hopefully I'll be able to share that with you guys on my channel. So if you're not familiar with the box, you'll be able to see me unbox and swatch and do all the good things that I love to do on my channel and share this with you guys. But this is a box that I've been getting. I think I missed their first box, and then I found out about them through Instagram and things like that, and I decided to try this box. I'm usually more conservative. I usually wait for a box to be out for a long period of time, but something in me decided to try this box, and I have been pleasantly surprised every month with it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, that if you were waiting for your March box, that's what's going to be coming in June. That's what they're calling their June box. And then your next billing cycle will begin July the 1st. Anyways, just wanted to share that with you guys in case you didn't know about it. I got this email and I thought it was smart just to do a quick video. So once again, if you're enjoying my content, I really do appreciate that you take the time right underneath this video to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see any of my previous videos, underneath this video where my name True Wants in bold letters, if you press on that, it brings you to another menu that shows you all the videos that I have been doing. And if you can search that way, it's easy for you as well. All right. Once again, I appreciate you taking some time out of your day to spend it with me here. And everyone, continue to stay safe and stay well, and hope to see you soon in another video. Everybody, please stay safe and stay well. Bye for now.